Hey guys, in this video, we're going to review Photoprism. Photoprism is a self-hosted photo management app that helps you organize, browse, and enjoy your photo collection while keeping your data private. It's a great alternative to Google Photos. If you want full control over where your pictures are stored, you install it on your own server, usually with Docker, and once it's set up, it automatically organizes your photos by date, location, and even content. One of its best features is AI-powered image recognition. It can detect people, objects, and scenes in your photos without sending anything to the cloud. This makes searching super easy. You can just type in beach or dog and find related photos instantly. The interface is clean, modern, and works well on desktop and mobile. Photoprism also supports RAW files, videos, and live photos, which is great for photographers. It lets you create albums, tag people, and browse by folders or timeline. You can access your library remotely and even share photos with others securely. It's great for personal use or even small teams and families. Setup can take a bit of time for beginners, but the documentation is helpful. Performance is smooth once indexing is complete, though large libraries may need good hardware. Overall, Photoprism is a powerful, privacy-friendly photo manager that offers Google Photos style features without compromising control. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.